Here's a 2013 Honda Civic Sedan. It's efficient and fun. It's practical and fun. The Civic is perfectly suited for your life and fun. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, Bluetooth hands-free link, manual tilting steering column, rear camera parking sensor, selective service internet access, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Motor Trend adds the hard plastic and cheap-looking rice paper dashboard is gone in favor of a deeper grain material that resembles leather. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.